Time in a Box by Timeular. I'm not really into the unboxing videos. However, when I received this gadget by mail, I just wanted to share the experience because I liked it. I like the slogans, I like the box, everything. The box perhaps is not the most, how would I say it? The materials are not super refined, but I like that. I like that because they seem to me like they're recyclable, they're eco-friendly, and at the same time, they give you that experience of this magic. It's almost like you're getting a time machine, like time in a box. You can control time now. You can let go of the fear of controlling time. That's exciting. Let me show you. So on this side, we have the Timeular.com website. This is a really good one. Good things come in small packages. I bet some ladies would disagree. Make your time count. If I have a gadget that's going to help me make my time more productive, easier to manage without the extra clicking, I'm excited. Yep, so like I said, recycle. I didn't really see this earlier, didn't read it when I noticed the feeling that this is a recyclable paper, but here we have a message from Timeular. The environment is important to us. We designed this box to be directly deliverable without any additional packaging to minimize waste and damage to our planet. Please help and reuse or recycle this box. Thanks. Wow, okay, I like that. Well, catchy thing. Design with love on Earth, produced in Germany. Checking out the bottom of the box. If you need anything, we're here. Timeular/support. So I tried to open it as carefully as possible. You could see it's a recyclable paper. It doesn't open too easy, but maybe that's a good thing so it doesn't fall out. And voila, the tracker and the base to stop. Okay, so it's pretty nice. It's bigger than I thought, much bigger, but not too big. It's actually the right size. I guess it has to be this way so you can write something on the side here. All right, let's take the base out. So that's how it sits. That's when it's in the stop position. And when you turn it on each of these sides, it starts tracking. But of course, we first have to set it up. So what else is in this box before I get to how to use it? Great, you are here. Shall we? Oh, they're funny. And this Timeular pen, branded pen. Yep. So again, oh, and a rubber, right? So we can write with this if we have a side we want to name, and then if we want to erase it, plus different stickers, different options here, little icons, different styles of icons, more minimalistic. Oh, this is cool, like a whole side, and you have a little space here to write what this side would represent for you. What else? What else? And of course, funny till the end. Seems you got to the bottom of this. Timeular.com. All right. I like it. I like it. Let's start using it and see how it feels. And is it really that productive as they say? Or is it just fluff? So, as you see, I already started playing with this tracker. But I did forget one thing that was in the box. It was this cable. It's a USB to USB-C cable. Obviously, it's for charging this tracker. It's not that obvious where this charging might be. However, after inspecting this little rubber comes off, and here is, well, the power button and the USB-C slot. Also, if you would like to have your own experience and try Timeular and the tracker, there's a link in the description that will take you to their site. So the experience of using it is in the next video. So click here in the link to the next video and see our experience with it and whether we recommend it or not. Also, if you feel this video was worth your time, subscribe to our channel, tap the bell to get notified whenever we're coming with new videos. See you later.